Well, I don't know whether the aggregate valuation they're talking about is close to 25 billion now or something like that. And I certainly wouldn't buy a business for 25 billion. I always think in terms of buying the whole business. If we buy 100 shares of General Motors, we think we're buying the whole business, and we multiply. If they've got, the billion, 200 million shares out, and it's selling at 35 or something like that, that would be 40-odd billion in the case of GM. So I look at what I'm getting as a part owner of a business, and I don't know why, with all the things you can buy for 25 billion in this world, that you would pick a business that really has to be earning 2.5 or 3 billion pre-tax in 5 years to even be on the same radar screen as things you can buy right now. So I have never been a big buyer well, we haven't bought an initial public offering, or I haven't, Charlie hasn't. I think since 1955, I bought 100 shares of Ford when it came out.
What did you buy?
What?
What did you buy?
It was Ford Motor. Gus Levy was running it as a favor, gave me 100 shares, and I have to admit it now, I think the statute of limitations has expired. I took a free ride on 100 shares and made $500, and it's the only time I've ever done that. But I was making $12,000 a year at the time, and 500 looked very good to me. But I think buying new offerings during hot periods in the market, I don't think it's anything the average person should think about at all.
You have said that you've missed out on some of those, like you should have bought Amazon a long time ago, you should have bought Google/Alphabet a long time ago. Could this be one of those scenarios?
What was the last question?
Could this be one of those scenarios?
Oh, it always can be.
Yeah.
I mean, there were a paradise at the Desert Inn one time, many years ago. That no, they had them in a little case. They came up 32 times in a row. Well, that's what, 1,000 times a million times a billion times, 4 billion to 1, a little over. So you can go around making dumb bets and win. It's not something you want to take as a lifetime policy, though. I mean, I don't worry about. I worry much more about the things I do than the things I don't do. I mean, I missed all kinds of opportunities in my life, but you just want to make sure that you're on the side of the house when you bet rather than bet against the house.